साथ हम जो चले बन गए काफिले और कोई हमें अब मिले ना मिले मौज है रोज है रोके से भी ना ये रुकते कभी सिलसिले. It bothers me a lot when I am recognized only basis of my voice. ये मोहब्बत तू है सिला. This term that the audience at large learned, auto-tune में किया है ये तो. The whole इतना मजा happened by fluke. I couldn't hit the note. इतना मजा. This I couldn't hit. So I just went इतना मजा and he kept that.
Be tough, swallow the heat, sit tight, hold the seat, rise up.
In my house, we would watch only Marathi serials or English serials. So there was no Hindi.
Even in my house, we were not allowed to speak Hindi. You're married to a Muslim, right?
Yes. Do you want to have children? Does he want to have children? And how's the sex life? That's something my mother asked. बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई. ये रील पे फोकस मत करो, गाने पे फोकस करो.
Hi, Shalmali.
Hi.
Welcome to the Unrushed podcast.
Yeah, I love what you've done with the
Thank you.
E and the A.
Thank you.
Love it.
The whole thought behind it was to have an Unrushed podcast because इतनी फास्ट पेस लाइफ में हमको इतनी आदत है सब कुछ फास्ट करने. जैसे रील्स भी अब 2x पे हम देखते हैं. So we thought let there be a space where we pause and have a थोड़ा सा slow conversation. That's
Let's
why.
go.
So happy to have you here, Shalmali, and you look so gorgeous. Of course, आपको देखा है मैंने Instagram पे और सब, but reality versus real versus reality अलग होती है ना. तो आप रियल में भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर हो, and voice के साथ साथ good looks भी. तो काफ़ी blessed हो आप हर department.
You're very kind. Thank you so much.
It's genuine though. So इसके पहले we were talking about something exciting. Singing की तो हम obviously बात करेंगे, but we were discussing clothes. You said I like what you're wearing. I said I love what you're wearing, and then you told me something very interesting that you're doing a course in fashion. Why is a singer doing a course in fashion?
तो पहले से फैशन के बारे में मेरा मतलब थी दिलचस्पी पहले से थी.
I've seen, yeah.
बट समवेयर आई फेल्ट लाइक कहीं पे कम्युनिकेशन मेरी और से स्टाइलिस्ट के साथ या मास्टर जी के साथ कहीं पे देयर वाज अ गैप इन दैट कम्युनिकेशन एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक आई ऑट टू नो हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट विद द पीपल who are either making me a costume or sourcing a look or making a look for me. So that was like the starting point. And so I started like reading up and doing research on my own और मैंने स्केचेस बनाना शुरू किया कि मुझे ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहनना है स्टेज पर तो ये बना सकते हैं क्या. देन देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक ये तो नहीं बनता है, इसके साथ ये फैब्रिक नहीं चलता है ना. लाइक क्यों नहीं चलता है. सो दिस समर मुझे लगा कि यार थोड़ी पढ़ाई शुरू करनी चाहिए.
Wow.
Just to get hands on with what are the possibilities. तो मैंने एक कोर्स ज्वाइन किया जो समर में 3-4 महीने का है और 4 दिन हफ्तों में सुबह के टाइम. तो आई वाज लाइक कर लेते हैं एंड आई एनरोल्ड माई सेल्फ और मैं गई वहाँ पे कि मुझे कॉस्ट्यूम स्टेज के लिए बनाने हैं. और वहाँ जाकर ऐसे लग रहा है कि यार और कितनी चीज़ें पॉसिबल है विद इन दिस. लाइक एवरी डे आई गो टू क्लास एंड आई एम लाइक oh my god, I can even do this if I just get into it some more and I open my eyes to the world and I feel like I am using my eyes now the way I have not in all these years. And there's so much beauty around.
Yeah.
And I think I'm now learning how to take that in and process it and use it creatively. चाहे वो गाने में हो या जस्ट टू क्रिएट समथिंग यू नो टैंजिबल, खुद के लिए हो या किसी और के लिए हो. तो आई जस्ट फील लाइक आई एम एट अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग पॉइंट इन माई लाइफ वेयर आई एम एक्सप्लोरिंग अनदर क्रिएटिव मीडियम विच इज़ वेरी वेरी कनेक्टेड टू द म्यूजिक ऑल्सो. सो मेरे टीचर्स भी बोलती हैं कि डोंट लीव द म्यूजिक विल इंस्पायर यू एंड दैट्स वॉट हैज़ हैपेंड ऑल दीज ईयर्स. बट इस कोर्स की वजह से आई फील लाइक man, there is so much I want to explore, and now every time I meet anyone, मैं उनके फैब्रिक्स को ऐसे
हाँ,
टच
आपने मेरा भी
करके,
touch
हाँ
करके
ये क्या
देखा था।
किया है, इसकी सीम क्या है, अलाउंस क्या
Correct,
दिया
right.
हुआ है, एज फिनिशिंग क्या है, इसका कट क्या है, स्टाइल लाइंस क्या है, यू नो, इसमें नजर जा रही है। पहले कैसे लगता था ये अच्छा लग रहा है,
अच्छा है।
ये क्यों अच्छा है, ये क्यों अच्छा लग रहा है।
Yeah, what makes a good outfit versus an average outfit or whatever.
Exactly.
But that's so nice. आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली that creative expression doesn't have a genre.
Yeah.
Creativity is across.
Yeah.
जैसे आपकी music and art in fashion
Yeah.
is also art. और
Yes.
आर्ट इन समथिंग एल्स इज ऑल्सो आर्ट आर्ट
Yes.
आर्ट होता है। मैं पेंटर
Yes.
हूँ, मैं गाना गा रही हूँ, मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ, मैं कंपोज कर रही हूँ, इट इज स्टिल डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ आर्ट एंड दे आर सो कनेक्टेड एंड इट्स अमेजिंग दैट समबडी लाइक यू हैज सीन इट। जैसे आगे जाके शालमलीज फैशन लाइन वाइन आने वाली है क्या?
I mean, see, I'm not even going that far. अभी मुझे सीखने में इतना मजा आ रहा है, cannot explain
That is
to
so
you.
nice.
I have this childlike wonder, you know, every day. मेरे 3 घंटे का क्लास खत्म होता है, ये क्यों खत्म हो रहा है अभी, और 3 घंटे चलते थे, you know. It's just so much. There's so much out there that I want to just lap up right now.
This is such a lesson for people out there also, क्योंकि सब बोलते हैं क्लासिक है ना, मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ, टाइम नहीं है सबका, but you somehow find the time for everything. You're obviously very fit, so you find the time for fitness, you obviously find time for riyaz, you have found time for independent music, you have found time for playback singing, you have now found time for fashion. So time is something that you have created for yourself कि आपका दिन बस ज़्यादा लंबा है हम बाकियों से।
But I just don't get it, you know, like if you're crazy about something और आपको कुछ चाहिए, चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए भाई, आई डोंट नो हाउ, बट आई रियली वांट दिस टू बी अ पार्ट, और दिस पर्सन और अ थिंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, देयर इज सो मच टाइम. देयर इज टाइम टू स्लीप ऑल्सो, बाय द वे. देयर इज ऑल्सो 8 hours of sleep that one can have and still do everything that you want to do.
So it's a matter of perception in a way.
Perception and time management. I think my biggest skill, like if you ask me what are you best at, I'd say time management.
Are you an early riser? Is
Yeah.
that why you get so much done?
Yeah, I wake up at 5:15.
Hey, मौत आती है
Almost.
मुझे सुबह उठने। 4 अलार्म बजते हैं।
Yeah.
नहीं हो जाता। Yeah.
मेरा तो मतलब आंखें खुलती हैं, I feel like wow, it's time to rise and shine. I don't know, I'm a little silly that way. पर मैं सो भी जाती हूँ बहुत जल्दी, मतलब मैं पार्टीज नहीं जाती और ये सब मतलब मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है.
ये बात है। Yeah.
फोमो नहीं होता है मुझे बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू बी इनवाइटेड टू पार्टी.
जोमो होता है, you know जोमो, right?
No, what is this?
Joy of missing out. कि आई एम हैप्पी कि मैंने मिस आउट किया, नॉट फोमो, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट नहीं, जॉय ऑफ मिसिंग आउट है
I didn't know,
कि
thanks.
थैंक गॉड मैंने इसको मिस आउट किया है बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव डन अदर थिंग्स, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सिट दिस वन आउट. जोमो.
Thanks. I'm totally using this.
But that's really, really amazing. Is it something that comes क्योंकि आपने your mother is a singer,
Yeah.
so आपने बचपन में शुरू किया. I guess that also becomes part of discipline, right? Because
Yeah.
आप इतनी छोटी उम्र से अगर रियाज, सिंगिंग, ट्रेनिंग लो,
हाँ.
you're already doing things that other kids are not doing. At 8
Yeah.
and 9 बच्चे बस खेल रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, कूद रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
आप उस टाइम पे एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ अगर जी रहे हो, obviously that has gotten you through. Will you give that credit?
मुझे नहीं लगता मैं बचपन में डिसिप्लिन्ड थी उतनी, मतलब ऐसे मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है कि वो आई यूज टू स्टडी फ्रॉम एक्स टाइम टू वाई टाइम, पर म्यूज़िक क्लास मेरे लिए कंपलसरी था. मतलब मम्मी ने एक चीज़ कंपलसरी की थी, जब तक तू 12 साल की नहीं होती यू हैव टू सिट फॉर म्यूज़िक क्लास ट्वाइस इन अ वीक. 12 साल की उम्र पे आई आस्क यू करना है या नहीं करना है. Then if you say नहीं करना है, I will not force you. So that was
nice.
something that my mom had some.
Very nice.
Wonder why 12. I knew why she had made me sit for music class since I was 7, not before that. और जब मम्मी के पास स्टूडेंट्स भी आते थे, मतलब माँ बाप आते थे कि मेरे बच्चे को गाना सीखना है, वो 3 बरस का है, 4 बरस का है, लाइक वेट
नहीं,
अब भी नहीं, 7 साल का होगा तभी लाइए उसको. अगर खुद को आने का मन कर रहा है, उसको ऐसे बिठा के कोई सिखा रहा है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं हो सकता.
So my mother was very clear that at the age of 7 you kind of get an understanding of oh I like this, और मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, मेरे को तो बोला है किसी ने तो आके बैठने के लिए, you know. So she also started teaching me when I was 7, एंड देन आई वेंट थ्रू दिस, आई वॉन्ट टू डू एवरीथिंग दैट माई ब्रदर डज, जो मेरे से 8 साल बड़ा है, जो गिटार बजाता है और इंग्लिश गाने गाता है, तो मुझे सब कूल चीज़ें उसके जैसे करनी होती थी, और मम्मी कहती थी कि करो, वो भी करो, पर 2 दिन क्लास के लिए बैठो. So I think if you're calling that discipline, then yes, I hand it to my mother for doing that. But more than anything, na, my parents, my father, I'd say, brought me up on logic. Like, you have to make sense of whatever you're asking for. Like we had a very like strange relationship looking back. In fact, I was telling a friend the other day that when I was in 9th standard, तब मुझे 2 दिन कुछ ओवरनाइट स्टे के लिए, मेरे एक ग्रुप था, मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल, जो IIT में था, मतलब दे वर वे ओल्डर देन आई वाज, एंड दे वर डूइंग दिस लोनावला ट्रिप.
पहले वाले ट्रिप्स हमेशा गोवा या लोनावला ही होते हैं जिसपे हम जाते हैं.
या तो मेरी लोनावला होने वाली थी, बिकॉज राइट नाउ वी हैव नॉट रीच्ड दैट स्टेज. तो अभी परमिशन तो मांगनी पड़ेगी पेरेंट्स से.
वेरी ट्रिकी.
सो तो मैंने लेटर लिखा टू माई डैड. इट वॉज अ two-sided letter saying that I've done well this semester, my homework is complete, I don't have anything pending, I'm a responsible person, I do my bed, whatever
सारी
I
अच्छी
needed
बातें, हाँ.
to supplement the fact that
मैंने
you
रोटी भी
shouldn't
बनाई
have
थी
to
लास्ट वीक.
stop. हाँ. You shouldn't have to stop me from going. And then instead of asking him verbally, मैंने उनको ये लेटर दिया कि बाबा,
So
I have
creative.
something. And he read it, he slept over it, and the next day he said, okay, go.
Oh, he said okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So I went. So this is how I was brought up. अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, कुछ करना है, तो you have to be able to tell us why you think it's okay. I mean, logical reasoning has to be good. So, you know, I think that really made me think always about, should I even be asking, यार ये मतलब बनता भी नहीं है.
हाँ,
You
sense
know,
मुझे नहीं
मुझे
sense बन
sense
रहा है,
नहीं बन
तो ये
रहा है,
नहीं
you
है.
know. तो on the one hand there was that, which is my father's upbringing, and mother is extremely creative. Like अभी भी अगर आप उनको देखो, she takes origami classes for like kids, and so she's always busy. She's doing some embroidery or origami, and she's making teaching aids for the with an NGO that she's working with. So she's on the go all the time. तो पहले मैं जब छोटी थी तब उनका एक ब्यूटी पार्लर था, घर पे लोग आते थे, मम्मी आईब्राउज वैक्सिंग ये सब करती थी, और शी हैज आल्सो बीन ऑन टेलीविजन. तो शी इज डन लाइक अ बंच ऑफ थिंग्स इन हर लाइफ, एंड आई फील लाइक इवन दो शी डिडंट टेल मी कि बेटा तुम ये कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो, पर आप देख रहे होते हो while you're you know.
Yeah, kids learn by seeing
Seeing.
actually, not by listening कि ऐसे करो
ऐसे करो.
Yeah.
So I feel like I had the perfect storm at home to do whatever I put my mind to.
बचपन से पता था फेमस होना है.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Famous was like, I don't know, I never thought about being famous. मुझे ये पता है जब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे म्यूज़िक करना है, which is also a very interesting filmy story. All I knew is मुझे अपने गाने ब्लू फ्रॉग, हार्ड रॉक कैफे, जैज बाय द बे जैसे क्लब्स में गाने हैं.
Oh wow.
So my audience, like I wanted my audience to be in front
Live
of me.
audience
Like
पहले
मतलब मैं
चाहिए,
उनको
हाँ.
हाथ लगा सकती हूँ अगर मेरा मन करे तो. It wasn't even like my ambition was कि मैं ऐसे 10,000 लोगों के लिए गाऊंगी, स्टेज बहुत बड़ा होगा, ये सब बाद में बने, वो सपने बाद में बने. Like the very first dream was to
Was
just
this.
a club,
Wow.
like singer, songwriter, pick up a guitar, play a piano, sing your own music. So I wanted to always write my own music. तो अगर किसी ने मुझे पूछा होता जब मैं कॉलेज में थी कि तुम्हें क्या करना है आगे ज़िंदगी में, तो मुझे अपने गाने लिखने हैं और वो गाने मुझे परफॉर्म करने हैं, would have been my response.
क्या लिख रहे हो आजकल, क्या है? इज देयर एनीथिंग जो किसी ने नहीं सुना और हमको सुनाना चाहते हैं?
Yes, अभी तो इस साल मेरे पास 4 गाने मेरे कंप्यूटर पे बैठे हैं अभी. 2 तो मिक्स मास्टर करके तैयार हैं, और it's a interesting mix because they're not all from the same genre. तो exciting है because even I don't know what will work and what won't, but I know my heart is in all of them. And a facet of my personality is in all of them. And in that sense, I don't think I've been able to pick a lane, you know. काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे ये राय देने में आती है कि यार
एक genre pick
एक
कर
जॉनर
लो,
पिकअप करो
तो ही
तो वो
जाएगा।
ऑडियंस बनेगी आपकी,
Correct.
बढ़ेगी फिर वो ऑडियंस. एंड आई एम लाइक बट आई एम इवॉल्विंग, आई एम चेंजिंग लाइक द सीजन्स. आई एम चेंजिंग एंड इवॉल्विंग. माई इंटरेस्ट एंड द थिंग्स आई लर्न इज इवॉल्विंग विथ मी. एंड दैट इज व्हाट पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड आई एम एज, यू नो. और वो हो रहा है, और वो शायद वो प्रोसेस बहुत slow process. It's a slow burn. What I am doing is a slow burn.
100%.
But I am aware and I am enjoying the fact that it is not a पहुंच गए. बॉलीवुड में मेरे साथ वो हुआ.
करेक्ट, वेरी
पहुंच गए.
एंड इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट कि एक जगह पहुंच गए. यू आर लिविंग द ड्रीम ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल.
Yeah.
अब उसको यूं करके सेइंग दैट, नॉट दूर करके, बट टू स्टिल हैव द गट्स कि एक जब फॉर्मूला विनिंग मिल गया, typically a human being wants to replicate that formula.
Yeah.
You don't want to then experiment and try कि अब मैं क्यों बनाऊँ independent music, मैं famous हूँ, मैं पैसे कमा रही हूँ, I'm the voice of such big films and people and actors, तो मैं ये पंगा क्यों लूँ basically. तो ये चुल कैसे आती है?
I think इस वजह से हो पाया ये पूरा सिलसिला शुरू हुआ, आई थिंक फुल फ्लेजेडली इन द लॉकडाउन. व्हेन वी वर ऑल हैंड्स टाइड, राइट. अब मैं क्या करूं, अब मुझे घर पे ही बैठना है, अब मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना है, किसी से मिलना नहीं है, कोई मुझे बुला नहीं सकता गाने गाने के लिए. That created that opportunity to really venture out and do something that you had once upon a time dreamt of doing.
Actual dreams पहले के.
And I feel like this happened to a lot of people.
Lots. It was a huge catalyst, the lockdown, for so many people.
I mean, can you imagine that is what we needed? A moment to pause.
Yeah, seriously.
A moment to just be like, हाथ पैर तुम्हारे बांध के रखो यहाँ पे और सोचो तुम्हें क्या करना है, नहीं हिल सकते हो यहाँ से. And you're like, okay, it's not that bad that I don't have to get out of the house, except for the bimari that is outside.
Of course.
But then you start asking yourself questions, right? That, okay, I wanted to write music. Let me just see if I'm any good at it.
Nothing to lose at this point.
Nothing to lose. That's when I really started like digging deeper into it. And I felt like अगर मुझे खुद में भरोसा करना है कि मैं एक सॉन्ग राइटर हूँ, not just a singer but a songwriter, I need to be able to write an album, which is a body of work you put out, right? It's not one song.
Correct.
I said, okay, I'm going to write an album because I have to prove to myself I'm a songwriter. तो मैंने 2X Side A, 2X Side B नाम के दो they're small EPs that I put out in the lockdown. There are English songs in them. So I started writing in English because that is the language I think in. English and Marathi are the languages I think in. Hindi बाद में आती है. So I need a lot of practice I needed to pen down a song in Hindi. So that is something that I think I've evolved into now. Now I can still channel my emotions into a paragraph in Hindi that then goes into a verse, a song, a verse in a song in Hindi. But I felt like I had the time to do it and explore, and it was always the original dream. So somewhere I felt like I wasn't doing everything I had set out to do.
You weren't doing justice to your own
Yeah.
life in that sense.
Yeah, and I have this thing. I am not just my voice. It bothers me a lot when I am recognized only basis of my voice.
Yeah.
I want to be recognized basis of my intellect, which comes out in many forms as someone who can top line, like write a melody or write a lyric or design clothes or design a stage or do art design for a set. And these are all artistic things.
Yeah.
Not much to do with the voice. I'm really grateful for the voice that I was born with, which is thanks to my parents. And that gave me a platform to then explore all these other things. But I don't want to live my life as a
Just
voice.
as a voice. Yeah. It can't be the only thing.
Yeah.
But अभी आपने इतना बोला, आप लिखते हो सब, तो कुछ ऐसे 2 lines तो सुनाओ जो आपने लिखा है originally. We'll come to the other music.
So-
but I really want to
Yeah.
know what you have been writing about, what you've been relating to now, the most
Now.
recently. Yeah. Where your head is at.
So, of late, I have not been writing straight out of an emotion that I've felt. Because for the longest time, I've been writing basis of an upheaval of emotion. जैसे बहुत किसी
Typically
पे
ऐसे कोई
गुस्सा
उसी
आता
पे
है, गाना
लिखते
लिख दिया, बहुत प्यार आ रहा है, गाना लिख दिया, उससे बात नहीं करनी, गाना लिख दिया. That's how I've always written
Yeah.
music. But now I felt like if I have to get into a room और आज मुझे कुछ लग नहीं रहा है पर गाना लिखना है, then you need to be able to do
Yeah.
it. So मेरा जो last release था in January is a song called Impression that we wrote, जिसका starting point एक drum groove था. Basically इस पे कोई melody नहीं है, कोई chords नहीं है, कोई bases नहीं है to start writing a tune. But it invoked this feeling of you have made an impression on me with this whatever is happening. So there was a certain assertiveness in the groove, and I just wrote you made an impression on me as a starting point of the song. You made an impression on me. I'm like, okay. और फिर ये ग्रूव अभी क्या इम्प्रेशन बना. So we started writing from there, that what makes an impression on me. Now I started tapping into what do I love
What
about everything is
impresses
about
you.
my husband, by the
हाँ,
way.
हाँ, वो मैं-
All songs. So
Husband Paglu.
yeah. so the verse is about my husband, but the first जो मुखड़ा है, घोर न तुझको गुनाह तो नहीं, पीछा करूँ जो सजा तो नहीं, दिल तेरा जीतना चाहूँ अगर मैं, जुर्म तो नहीं. It's like everything a man does. घूरता आदमी है, पीछा भी आदमी करता है. But you know what? Women also do it.
Do it, yes.
We do it very like classily. मतलब हम दिखाई नहीं.
अगर तुम worth it हुए तो हम ये कर
Worth it,
सकते हैं.
but we very like चुपचाप करते हैं हम ये
Yeah.
सारी चीजें, हम भी करते हैं. So I wanted to write a song that was about a woman staring at a man,
perspective,
a
yes.
woman following a man around. और ये सारी चीजें एक जुर्म तो नहीं है ना. जाने क्यों बिन कोई शरारत छा गया तो, you made an impression on me. So you were not being funny, like you were not doing anything like
Yeah.
शरारती. You just सीधा साधा, तू मांगे कम तेरी हरकतें हैं उफ समझदार तेरी. You're a समझदार guy and I
Wow,
like that.
So rare.
Right? I mean, that's what you want to find in your husband, by the way, ladies, if you're looking.
Yes.
लोग क्या सोचेंगे परवाह नहीं, if it makes sense करता वही. This is literally my husband. He's सीधा साधा and he really doesn't care what people think. If he thinks it makes sense, he does it. Impression is a song that was written basis of what makes an impression on a woman and what she's seeking in a man, and also makes her wear pants in this song. Like you're the one who's saying, hey, nice. That's made an impression on me, you know?
It's very new age, very nice, and a very different perspective because it is so funny. आज भी आदमियों को ये लगता है कि जिम बॉडी होगी मेरी, मैं भाव नहीं दूंगा, पीछे आएगी, थोड़ा सा इसको नेगेटिव बोलता हूँ, फिर ये सोचेगी मेरे बारे में, 2 सेंटेंस लिख के गोस्ट कर देता हूँ, अपने आप परेशान होगी. तो अभी भी ये वो वाले सोच रहे. सो दिस इज गुड टू एक्चुअली नो पर्सपेक्टिव. भाई ऐसा नहीं
चाहिए हमको, ये नहीं चाहिए.
सिंपल थोड़ी बहुत चीजें ही चाहिए, बस वही कर लो तुम.
Yeah, really. So thanks. This was exactly this was exactly the
such
sentiment.
an anthem for women today. It's really nice.
I mean that was my thought, and also I felt like शायद मेरे जैसी कम औरतें होंगी, पर होंगी ना. There might be more women who also
Yeah.
feel like they don't want exorbitant things like big houses and cars. They just want a simple, understanding man who gets them and makes them feel like, oh, you're mine. Yeah, like this is great. This will work.
Yeah.
So Impression was a song where the woman was like, But the next song that I'm putting out, which is called Giraft. is the other side of a woman, and which I also find is a part of who I am. The chorus is giraft, just the word giraft, that I am arrested in love with you. So it portrays her as a very
So
coy,
vulnerability to
vulnerable,
that
and like
word.
I am completely submitting myself to you, and which also happens.
Which should happen.
And why
it's
not?
a
Yeah,
very
exactly.
good part of love.
Of love.
Yeah.
So it goes something like this. दूर रहकर भी तुझसे हो ख्यालों में तेरे डूबी मैं पास होते हो तुम जब सही गलत धुंधला जाता है सब ये मोहब्बत तू है सिला या आफत तू जो मिला You got me गिरफ्त 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 हुई मैं गिरफ्त 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 हुई मैं गिरफ्त 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 हुई मैं गिरफ्त गिरफ्त गिरफ्त. So it's a very
Wow, very nice,
It's
very nice.
Yeah, it's a very interesting song because it's got a very cool groove behind it. I've never sung it without any accompaniment, but it's got a beautiful flow to it.
Yeah.
And I'd say, at the expense of my other children, my songs, that is, this is my favorite.
Yeah, it has a very beautiful sound to it. You can really,
Yeah, and it
really
it
groove.
does
It has a very
things to me.
holiday vibe also. मतलब सुनते हुए like you know earphones पे लगा के wind in the air भी है.
Yeah.
You know when you're traveling solo उस बंदे के ख्याल में तुम
Yeah.
गिरफ्त हो.
Correct.
ये वैसे वाला song
And
है.
I love
which
the
we listen
word.
to. Yeah.
I've heard गिरफ्तार before.
गिरफ्त नहीं
पर
सुना.
मैंने गिरफ्त गाने में नहीं सुना था. And I
Yeah.
felt like it's a great singular word. मतलब
Yeah.
sentence में नहीं तो सिर्फ one word chorus. It's
Right.
literally a one word chorus.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Is it, do you have favorites between, I know ऐसे कोई comparison नहीं है, but between playback singing and between making your own songs, like is there an either or, because they do two very different things for you.
Absolutely.
तो वो दोनों चीज़ें ही अलग है, but
I feel like I learned a lot about myself and my voice by way of playback. क्योंकि आप जब माइक के सामने खड़े होते हो तब आप एक तरीके से गाने लग जाते हो, which is a natural way, whatever you feel is coming naturally. The person sitting on the other side directing you, can you try it like this, can you try it like that, helps you be like
ये
okay,
नहीं सोचा मैंने.
हाँ पर ये होता भी कैसे, पर ट्राई करते हैं, and then you're like oh होता है, oh ये भी हो सकता है. So all these realizations about yourself happen a lot while doing playback, I find, and it happened with me. क्योंकि जब मैं परेशान गाने अमित त्रिवेदी के स्टूडियो पहुंची थी तब I was like I don't know what this is cool, what am I doing, वाली you know feeling के साथ थी, and I literally sang परेशान like an English song which had Hindi lyrics. I didn't know the ABCs of playback में ऐसे गाना होता है और वो ये करना होता है, स्माइल करनी पड़ती है और you know
की आवाज़ में कैरेक्टर
के लिए सूट होना चाहिए. पर I was fortunate enough कि अमित त्रिवेदी, कौसर मुनीर, हबीब फैसल, director and lyricist, they were in the room and they were kind enough to guide me through that whole process very very gently and patiently. कि now try it like this, अरे very nice और एक बार करते हैं, अरे very nice, you know they were really encouraging
and
because I
it's
was
so
21
important. And you must be scared. इतने बड़े
I was not
लोग.
scared. I don't remember being scared, but I was like ये क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, मजा आ रहा है, you know. I don't know
कैसे हुआ,
why.
कैसे मिले आप उनसे?
I was in college, just finishing college, and at St. Xavier's in Mumbai. And my then friend was working at Amit Trivedi's studio as a programmer. तो Amit Trivedi was looking for a fresh voice. तो उन्होंने पूछा होगा लोगों से, and Anjo, that programmer friend of mine, he called me saying, Shal, do you have any demos? Amit Trivedi is looking for a fresh voice. I said, I have like English demos, you know, like I have English demos. He knew I was singing English. He's like, yeah, just send whatever you have, we'll see what happens. तो मैंने समर टाइम और वैलेरी ये 2 गाने मैंने रिकॉर्ड किए हुए थे स्टूडियो में. I was applying to schools, music schools abroad.
Oh, got it.
Because I couldn't go in person to give the audition. तो मैंने वीडियो क्लिप्स बनाकर वहाँ पर भेज दिए थे. So sent those to Amit Trivedi. He liked them. So he called me one night at 10 p.m. which I thought was like 10 p.m. Okay, that's odd. but I also said it's okay. Just be careful and go and come home after it's done. So I got there and he literally made me sing. मैं परेशान 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 किनारे पे खड़ी ये 4 बार गाओ. And I was like okay. परेशान पर I sang 4 times and he's like कल आ सकते हो. I was like हाँ मेरे तो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए थे तो I had nothing to do, so I was like हाँ sure मैं फ्री हूँ. So 3 बजे आओ कल. So I got there at 3 the next day and we recorded the Red FM jingle. So we didn't do परेशान at all. No, so I got there.
क्या था
and
रेड एफएम वाला जिंगल पता है मुझे?
Red FM 93.5,
Yeah.
93.5 जो लाभ जंजुआ जी के साथ था. तो
yes.
वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे अंदर एंड मैं आधा 1 घंटा ऐसे ही बैठी थी बाहर एंड देन ही कॉल्ड मी एंड आई रिकॉर्डेड दैट फर्स्ट. सो परेशान के पहले Red
ये
FM
जिंगल है पता नहीं था मुझे. तो यही लगा कि परेशान ही है पहले.
And then he said, कल आ सकते हो? And I said, yes. And that kept happening. So I used to go in and sing a bunch of things that he was working on. And not all of them released in my voice. But that's a great learning process, right? And this is what I get asked a lot. That Bollywood में आपसे इतने गाने गवाते हैं वो आपके आवाज़ में अगर रिलीज़ नहीं होते हैं तो then is that okay? And I was like, absolutely fine.
Yeah.
I am of the opinion that it's absolutely okay because one, you got the opportunity. That is tough in a place like Mumbai to get opportunity.
Yeah.
Is unless your eyes and ears are open to opportunity, you'll miss them.
You'll miss them. Absolutely.
And if you get an opportunity, you must make most of it. Because if not the song, you learn something
You
in
learn
that.
something, yeah.
In that time, and I feel like these songs that I sang with Amit Trivedi, with Preetam, with Vishal Shekhar, which haven't released, have taught me so much, and it has brought me this far. So it's not only the released music that takes you ahead in life; it's everything. Everything adds up.
It's all part of the process. And
Oh, yes.
Sometimes when you look back, काफी चीजें you realize have happened for the best.
Yeah.
काफी चीजें you like अच्छा ये नहीं हुआ but ये release हुआ and this was a better thing for me to
Yeah.
happen
Yeah.
in hindsight and you are you know grateful for that and you're such an open positive person and it's
Yeah.
nice that you take things in your stride. It's a very like life learning also in that sense.
And I feel like every time I've seen anyone's interview where they have shied away from probably mentioning the fact that they did do a song that didn't go through. I can't understand that point of view
Yeah.
because I am not of that point of view. Not that it is wrong for them to think
Correct.
that way, but to each his own, of course. But I just feel like it's okay, and it's important to be told, no, you're not good enough,
Yeah.
or that this is not for you.
Correct.
A film song especially, and I'm not talking about independent right now, but a film song needs to fit a lot of things, right? It needs to fit into that slot perfectly. It needs to sound like that actor is singing. It needs to be the texture that the director wants, the music director wants, feels right, works as a song independently outside of the film. There are so many things that need to
lots
fit.
of factors. So it's not, sometimes it's not you. It's
not
just कि दो चीजें fit नहीं हो रही.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with you or that.
Yeah.
It's just not the right fit.
And which is why when a music director calls, say, like 10, 15 people to try a song out, and he needs to do it. He wants the best for his music.
Correct. It's with any job or anything you do in
Yeah.
life. तुमको ट्रायल एंड एरर तो लगता ही है, so there's nothing to shy away from.
Yes.
I noticed very sweetly you say Baba and Ai.
Yes.
Aiba, very Marathi mulgi, very Mumbaikar
Yeah.
of you. Tell me a little bit about your tumchi Mumbai. What is Bombay for you? What are your addas in Bombay? Like just yesterday I went to Trishna after maybe 15-18 years.
What is Trishna?
Trishna is the only no branches वो लोग लिखते हैं. It's a seafood restaurant in Fort. एकदम अंदर गली में जाके beautiful seafood. If you're not a
Wow.
seafood eater,
I am.
हाँ,
Good
one
to
should
know.
be. क्या seafood है वहाँ पे, और उन्होंने बाहर लिखा है कि we have no branches in Mumbai or abroad. तो बहुत लोग कॉपी करते हैं, तो पूरा ऐसा डिस्क्लेमर है उनके पास कि यही एक ही ब्रांच है, and it's so good. That is really like Bombay nostalgia. The last I went there was with my parents.
हाँ.
जब मैं छोटी थी. So
Yeah.
it's been so many years, so it brings back so many memories. So what are some core Mumbai memories for you?
Mumbai memories. I think I've lived in a bubble. So I was born in Powai.
I stay in Powai.
Really?
हाँ.
I'm on the
Address
IIT side though.
हाँ, okay.
So every time I said Powai, everyone would be like, Hiranandani?
Hiranandani.
Like, no. What came before that? IIT. So I live on the IIT side of Powai. My parents still live there. I went to school to Hiranandani Foundation School.
Okay.
And for me, Bittu's Vada Pav was like
The thing.
the thing. In our lane, Bittu used to sell Vada Pav. Even now, my brother, who has lived outside of India longer than he's lived in India now, still comes home and goes and eats Bittu's Vada Pav. And then there is Pooja Sweet Mart that had Pani Puri outside, so that would be one meal some days. And I think like I am such a Mumbaikar, but I'm such a non-Mumbaikar also. Like I feel like my Marathi is so much in me that for the longest time I didn't know that my English had a Marathi accent to it.
It doesn't.
Now it doesn't.
Achha, you
'Cause
worked on it too.
I didn't, but I was like, I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be like
Neutral.
neutral. And then it got to being neutral after I was made to realize that I speak with a Marathi accent. I don't mind it really. As I'm growing older, I'm like, own it.
Just
Yeah?
own it,
It's your
absolutely.
mother tongue.
Yeah.
Speak it. If you feel like you can't find a word, throw in a Marathi word. It's okay because the other person will either be like मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं समझा या oh I get the sentiment, you know.
भावना पोचली.
पोचल्या. Oh, nice भापो.
Yeah.
We say भापो. In Kolhapur we say भापो, which is like short for भावना पोचल्या.
भावना पोचली. अच्छा, तो I will use this.
You can use that. Like you taught me जोमो.
Jomo. Now you
Jomo
taught me
and
भापो.
Things we've learnt on the show today. But so in my house, we would watch only Marathi serials or English serials. So there was no Hindi. I don't know why.
That happens. Even in my house, we were not allowed to speak Hindi. When my grandfather was alive, it was either Punjabi or English.
Really?
Hindi, they said, तुम बाहर सीखोगे ही. So learn these two languages. And it's so right because after he passed away, नहीं बोलते हम इतनी पंजाबी. And even today, my mother calls me. She speaks to me in Punjabi. I reply in Hindi or English. It's very funny. But she consistently every day will speak to me in Punjabi.
Sure, yeah.
And I will reply in Hindi. It is really funny, but that's how it goes. Yeah.
But you were always told that this is why they are not speaking to you in
Yes,
Hindi?
कि they said कि पंजाबी तुम बाहर नहीं सीखोगे,
हाँ.
हिंदी तो स्कूल जाओगे, you'll have friends, हिंदी by default you will learn. So it's important that you learn these two languages. And I see the merit in it because now my daughter can't speak Punjabi. Because उसने English और हिंदी सुनी, she went out, now हिंदी तो उसको आ गई, English बचपन से सुनी, but now she doesn't speak Punjabi and it's very difficult to now make her learn it.
learn
So
it.
it's they said it for a reason is what I'm
But
saying.
like I found it very difficult later to speak Hindi because in school English was compulsory. You can't be seen speaking in Hindi.
Yeah,
It was
yes,
one of
वो
those
भी था.
schools. And at home we would speak Marathi or English. Less English than Marathi.
Yeah.
But Hindi then like all my interviews I'm like फिर for the longest
फिर
time at the beginning
मंजे मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
Yeah, I was literally short of being like that. And then I was like, I have to, Cooper ma'am. I could see Cooper ma'am from school being like, beta, very bad. You know, she taught us Hindi. And I'm that Mumbaikar. I'm the Mumbaikar who's traveled by local train from Kanjurmarg to CST for 5 years because I went to
हाँ वही
Xavier's.
स्टेशन है कुठे जाणार तुम्ही
कुठे
वहीं से जाना पड़ेगा
And like the local train life is amazing. Like it is
yeah,
where
it has a
it's
charm.
at. You get to places when you want to get there. Like they are so on time.
इतना टाइम पे आती है
They're so on time, and there's so many of them. If you miss one, 3 minutes later, 4 minutes later, there's another one. So, I'm like, I don't know if I would ever want to live not in Mumbai, even though so much is wrong with Mumbai.
yeah
But
you
so
can't-
much is
yeah, yeah.
Mumbai. you
heart is always
Yeah.
in Mumbai. Tell me now, I know we spoke about your independent music.
Yeah.
We know there's a lot happening there. In terms of Bollywood, what else are we looking forward to? What are you
So
doing
again,
now?
like Bollywood, there's no telling.
अच्छा कभी भी आता है कुछ
So the thing with Bollywood also is like I said, a lot of times voices get auditioned.
correct and then you when it
So
comes
you don't
it
know.
comes.
And I am not in the practice of asking a composer, ये गाना मेरे वॉइस में ही होगा ना, ये कब कौन सी फिल्म के लिए है, ये कब रिलीज होने वाली है. I don't do it because I'm like, I don't want to put this person in that spot. I've come here, I'll do my job, I'll go. If it works out, nothing like it. If not, I'm not going to get thrown off my track, which is what happens. Which is what I'm scared about for people whose sole focus is playback. And that's something I would love to talk about because when I was judging Indian Idol Junior, when I was doing Sur Nava Dhyas Nava, season 1, season 2, and I would like between shots talk to the contestants saying that, so what do you want to do after the show gets over, you know? I'm excited about their life. They'd be like, film, kutla tari film madhe gana. And I'm like, okay, Ani, what else? But they would draw a blank. Because they haven't thought about how vast music is. There
Yeah.
is so much more to do within music.
Yeah.
And it's great you want to sing for a film. But singing for a film is dependent on someone else calling you, finding you. Then you go there, then you sing. There are others who have sung. You may or may not make it.
And isn't the competition too much now?
Too much,
एक
now.
टाइम था जब मैं तो बड़ी हो रही थी 4-5 होते थे अनुराधा पौडवाल कुमार सानू उदित नारायण 5-6 कविता कृष्णमूर्ति
Right.
अलका याग्निक
Yeah.
इसी में घूमता रहता था चक्का
Correct.
और नहीं था कोई बट अब with every movie every man because everybody wants to do something new
Yeah.
तो इतनी सारी competition है
Yeah.
तो कैसे करोगे
Absolutely. Exactly why it is important to think कि I cannot only put all my eggs in this basket कि ये इसमें नंबर मेरा लग जाए नंबर लग जाए नहीं होगा. And it's not like ये ही एक चीज़ है. Sure, वो एक नंबर अगर आपका लग गया जो एक लॉटरी सिस्टम जैसे literally
Correct.
because there are so many talented people.
Correct.
There is so much talent in our country that even the most talented person may not get the opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it
Especially Instagram पे हम देखते रहते हैं हर दूसरे दिन what hidden gems ऐसे ये तो AI होगा ये तो गा ही नहीं
Yeah.
सकता ऐसे ना फेस और आवाज़ तो मैच ही नहीं हो रही है
Yeah.
पर्सन की
Yeah.
कुछ अलग ही गा रहे हैं तो yeah so you were
So,
saying people are still stuck कि
are
playback
stuck.
is the only way.
पर अब जाकर वो थोड़ा चेंज हो रहा है and that's a good sign because now people, I'm not saying everybody should write their own music.
Correct.
I was of this opinion, okay? Some time back I was be like, खुद के गाने लिखो.
हाँ तुम
I'm like,
सिंगर हो तो लिखो भी
हाँ correct.
ऐसे
And I'm
लगता है.
like, यार ये भी गलत है. This is also wrong to think about what others should be doing with their lives because I am doing this with mine. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, I also came to understand that someone maybe just wants to sing.
Yeah.
They don't want to write. They want a song written for them and they want to sing. That's what makes them tick. But there are other avenues to do that also, other than films.
Correct.
You can sing for an ad. You can sing for a musical. You can lend your voice to a vocal library. You know, where samples are made. You know, for like a splice, or there are so many platforms. I think ये information अभी available भी है लोगों को कि वो अपनी आवाज़ को कैसे exploit कर सकते हैं. And that's what they ought to do because they have to make a living out of it.
Correct. If you want to live that life and not have it as a hobby,
Yeah.
you might as well expand. And I think social media, being a double-edged sword,
Yeah.
helps you do that. At least a lot of people have just become sensations on Instagram first,
Yeah.
then gone on to music, which is also okay. It's
Yeah.
an okay route to have. With social media, reminds me, is AI something that threatens you? You think about it कि AI में कोई because we use it for some of our videos and I'm like, ये किसकी आवाज़ है? Like AI है, मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ? Like, you know, is that a threat? Is that something you talk about in your circles?
AI is a tricky thing to think about. It hasn't, we haven't crossed paths too
Yet.
much. I also use AI off and on. Like, say I'm writing a song and I'm not finding a word or a sentence that fits or an idea that I want to add to a verse. And I chat GPT it, saying that give me
Guilty.
some,
Yeah.
give me some
Utna
lines
do, yeah.
that tell me where this road can go. You know, I can think of it going only here. Show me where else it can take me, and it'll open some doors up, and you'll be like, I want to walk through that door. So it helps you do that.
It does.
You have to walk through the door though.
करेक्ट, काम एक्चुअली तुम ही कर रहे हो. इवन
हाँ.
अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फील यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी तुम्हारा दिमाग बंद हो जाएगा. आई यूज्ड टू बी द सेम. ऐसे तुम जेनजीज, तुम सबके
तुम
दिमाग
कर-
ही बंद हो
हाँ.
जाएंगे, तुम्हारे दिमाग चलेंगे ही नहीं इसके बाद. टिल आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, आई रियलाइज कि ऐसा नहीं है. थॉट्स तो मेरे ये इट बिकम्स अ साउंडिंग बोर्ड.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली इंस्टेड ऑफ अ
Yeah.
पर्सन, इट्स एन एआई हु जस्ट बिकम्स अ साउंडिंग बोर्ड समटाइम्स.
And to add to that, it's where the world is heading. You either get on with it and find a way to be part of the system,
Exactly.
or you get left behind.
You get left behind. Exactly.
I was beginning to get left behind because I was
Same.
I am an old school,
Yeah.
old soul. मैं सब हाथ से करूँगी, मैं ही
मैं
सब
ये
करूँगी
नहीं करूँगी.
अकेले.
मैं कभी नहीं इसे यूज
हाँ, yeah, I was.
बहुत यूज करती
My husband really gave me a piece of his mind, like at regular intervals, saying that just open
Your mind to
to it. Don't do everything on it, but see there is this and that, and it needs to be told what to do. You're still the one telling it what to do.
Correct.
Giving the commands is not easy.
Yeah. 10 people can be on ChatGPT. Everyone gets a different response.
Response,
No
yeah.
two people can get the same response. We could be
Yeah.
working on the same project.
Yeah.
और सब same similar चीजें बोल रहे हैं, but 10 अलग चीजें आती हैं बाहर.
Yeah.
Because 10 people are not saying it in the same
In
way.
the same ways.
So
As far as making music goes, using AI as a tool is all right. It's where it gets very funny, and I'm not very sure. No, I know we don't have any guidelines and systems in places for
not yet, yeah.
for it to be used in a way that it does not walk over anybody or that takes away people's rights and their identity. So in that sense, we are not ready to exploit AI and still be safe as human beings.
नहीं, we are also learning.
We
as
are
we're
also
growing,
learning.
Yeah.
So it's a tricky one.
Yeah, it is. It can have so many legs to it, right?
And but it makes me go back to that time when we used to talk about auto tune and be like, auto tune,
ये भी कैसे,
बापरे,
correct. We survived,
तबा,
हाँ.
But hey, auto tune is a fantastic tool.
Yeah.
It can make it can give this really cool tonality to your voice. You may have sung everything like 440 hertz, like for great pitching and everything, but you add auto tune still to that track and it gives you a nice tonality. Now that software is doing it. Sure, it's pitch correcting, but that's not the only thing it's doing.
Correct.
So this whole this term that the audience at large learned, auto tune में किया
ये
है,
तो स्टूडियो
तो-
सिंगर है. ये भी मैं बहुत सही. ये स्टूडियो सिंगर, रियल स्टूडियो सिंगर है.
And in that, right, you can take a fantastic live performer, take them into the studio, and they can't do what a studio singer can do.
Yeah.
Or you can take a studio singer and
Vice
put them in.
versa, yeah.
It does. So there is technique and a skill set required everywhere. Even to use AI, there is a skill set
100%.
required.
जैसे बचपन में हम बोलते थे नकल करने के लिए भी अकल चाहिए होती है. ये नकल नहीं है, बट बेसिकली कुछ भी करने के लिए अकल तो
अकल तो
लगानी है. वो तो कहीं नहीं जा रही. Somewhere you know, I have known you personally, and you can correct me if I'm wrong. Like you've been like the Bollywood's party anthem girl.
हाँ.
क्योंकि अभी भी बल्लम पिचकारी
उफ.
सुन के आप पक गए होगे, हम
नहीं,
पके,
नहीं,
क्योंकि हम
I'm
सालों से अभी भी
amazed.
बजाओ हम नाचेंगे. तो you've been that for me and for I know for a lot of people here. Do you like that tag, or you like typecast कर रहे हो मुझे, or do you embrace it?
I have phases.
Love hate.
I'm in the phase right now where I've embraced it, because in a way I am that person. I am that person who likes to have fun. Maybe not the party fun, but I
Correct.
like to have fun.
Yeah.
And the whole itna maza happened by fluke. And
Oh, really?
I mean, I couldn't hit the note. Itna maza. This I couldn't hit. So I just went itna maza. And he kept that.
Like यही अच्छा लग रहा है.
ये क्या मस्त गाया है, फॉल्सेटो कैसे लगाया आपने,
हाँ,
ये सब ये
गलती से.
ये सब बाद में ही हुआ उसका, मतलब whatever. Let's analyze this, how she sang it, but she actually couldn't hit the note, so she sang it like this, and you guys liked it so well.
Well,
you know,
great.
so stuff happens, and stuff happens by chance. A lot of mistakes. It's not a mistake, but it happened like you slip somewhere and you
And
find
it
the coin on the,
yeah,
you know.
हाँ, correct.
It's like that.
अभी लेकिन जो आपने हमको क्लिफ हैंगर पे
हाँ.
छोड़ दिया ना, ऐसे लटकाते हुए, मैं उस पे आ रही थी, मतलब ऐसे मत करो.
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है, तूने हवा में भाग मिलाया, तो गला नशा क्यों हो रहा है, आंखों से मीठा तू निकलाया, ओ तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई, मन चली चाल कैसे नवाबी हो गई, बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी, तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई. It's never going old. It's never going
Unfortunately, I
old.
was like, ये बहुत घिसा पिटा है. Let
But-
me not bring it up. But कैसे नहीं bring up करते हम?
It
मजेदार
gets
है.
people going, like kids who are born like last year are still like,
हाँ, बेबी
I'm
चल
like,
रहा है वो.
फिर तो 10-12 साल पहले गाना रिलीज हुआ है. How are you going like this? You know, all the kids and the mothers will. The mothers
Wow.
have been Jawan, right?
Yeah,
when the
yeah.
song released.
हाँ,
So like
एक
मेरी
type
बेटी भी, they send me all these DMs, right? Look,
That is
my
so
child,
sweet.
it's too cute, and I'm thinking, ये हो कैसे रहा है? This is all Pritam Da का कमाल, yeah.
That's
I have
true.
a very small role to play, and that's what also hurts me in Bollywood. That a lot of times, and maybe not all the time, but a lot of times, the composer somewhere just gets lost and the singer gets all the footage.
Yeah, but ये तो हमेशा से होता है. बैंड भी हो तो
Yeah.
काफी फुटेज जो हीरो सिंगर ही रहता है, पीछे लोग बजाए जा रहे हैं, सोलोज चल रहे हैं, ये वो, but somehow it's just historically happened that the voice is the one that receives the
Yeah.
adulation and the love. So that's just
Someone
the
told me
nature
once,
of the beast, as
it's
my
a-
boss says.
Nature of the beast.
Yeah, उसकी favorite line है करिश्मा मेहता
It's a
से.
very
Which
nice
it's
line.
It's the jazz. It's the nature of the beast, she says. So it is like
But
that.
I had once asked my friend, who was a musician, he's a guitarist. He's like, what is it like? Why do they have to put the voice on such a pedestal? Like, what is the big deal?
Always.
He's like, it's the only human thing. Everything else is an instrument, like you hold it, but the
Yeah.
voice is coming from your body.
From your body, exactly.
And I was like, okay, I'm never going to ask this question again. This makes a lot of sense. It's logical.
It
no?
is logical. So, like, you know, in spite of you telling me that you're a logical person, that's how you've been raised, etc., I can't help think that there is another. Like, nobody is so lit up and doing something if they don't have a spiritual streak in them. I believe that. Are you somebody who's spiritual? And when I say spiritual, it doesn't have to be religious, but like just somebody who practices something daily. You just look like the kind of person, ये कुछ तो करते हो. ऐसे ही बिना मतलब कि तो कोई radiate नहीं हो रहा होता.
I think I must be spiritual, but I've not understood what it means to be spiritual yet. I do knit every day. That's something I do.
practice, yeah.
And that I find is my way of meditation. Because it's a constant motion and you're undisturbed, you're creating something, and that is literally like my religion is knitting. Like I knit every single day.
That's amazing, yeah.
but I'm not religious. I'm born to a Hindu family, but we don't really, none of us practice religion. I was told that God is where you are, so whenever you feel like you want to call on Him, just close your eyes and say your prayer, and that's like mandir. The mandir is in where you are. And be good to people. That's all there is to me and religion. But I haven't understood what it is to be spiritual yet. Maybe it'll come to me. at
Fair,
some
because
point.
you look like somebody who just practices it every day. Because in my mind, people who are spiritual are like this. You're open to a lot of things. You're open to evolving. You're open to changing your own mind also. Ki, हाँ ये मेरे thoughts थे, but I'm okay to change
Yeah.
those thoughts and think about this differently. So I
Yeah.
think these are really good qualities to have, and it comes with samajhdari, जैसे भी बोला, and however you achieve
Yeah.
that, it really doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And because you spoke about religion, I just want to bring this up. You're married to a Muslim, right?
Yes.
तो वो कोई
Oh my
वो-
God, it was such a
Yeah, and
calamity.
calamity more so in today's times
Yeah.
than ever. Like my sister is married to a Muslim as
Right.
well, and yes, at that point when it was happening, it was the unimaginable. हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे होने ही वाला था, फिर नहीं हुआ.
नहीं
उसकी
हुआ.
एक लंबी स्टोरी है वो, बट मेरा पॉडकास्ट नहीं है. बट आपके ऐसे कोई स्टोरी हुई, और what do you think about that in general? And then I want to ask you also about love, because मुझे नहीं मिल रहा, पहले बात ये है, और ऐसे लग रहा है कि लोगों को भी ज़्यादा नहीं मिल पा रहा है, या मिल रहा है तो आधा मिल रहा है. हो क्या रहा है? Just want to know your views on that.
I fell in love with the man. He happened to be a Muslim. So, well, that's how I married a Muslim. It was as simple as that.
Your parents had nothing
My
to
parents
add,
had
subtract की ऐसे.
Never.
Amazing.
They were only concerned with the person that he is.
As one should be.
They just asked me, and this is going to be, you can edit it out if you want to, but I don't mind talking about it. They asked me two things. Do you love him? He loves you, and this, that. Yes. Do you want to have children? And I said, I don't want to have children. He's like, does he want to have children? And I said, no. He's like, that is one thing you need to be on the same page about.
Amazing.
That, and you need to have that conversation every once in a while to check in with your partner. Has that changed
Yeah.
for them?
Yeah.
And how is the sex life? That's something my mother asked me.
Amazing questions.
And I was like, oh my God, this is strange, you know, because it was a little, because we didn't otherwise have these conversations a lot.
Correct. The most progressive parents India में अभी भी, that is not something you still
Yeah.
speak about. Yeah.
But I was like, oh, no, it's fine only. Let's talk about
Yeah.
something else. Okay.
Like, no, very
You
important.
think about it.
Yeah.
She said, you think about it. This is what is important for a successful marriage. You're marrying someone. It's great. I've been with him for 6 years. So we knew each other in and out because we had been in the lockdown also for a year together.
Oh, best time. वो best test तो वही था. वही एक test, मात्र
Yeah.
test है.
Yeah, so we had seen each other like from not talking at all for an entire day, but just liking each other's presence. And I know his mother, his sister, and his side of the family. They are wonderful people, and his mother and sister have never had anything against me being a Hindu, and what if this goes to the next level, they want to get married. So our parents, in a sense, have never had any issue. And both Farhan and I have been only concerned about what our immediate family has to say and
As
feel.
again, one should, because चार लोगों
Not
को
even
किसने देखा है?
right? That's it. That's all we really care about. And even if they were of the opinion that no, this is not what we want, we would have been like, tell us why.
Logic.
Where is the logic in this? Okay, now, hey, I'm not going to come and live with you. Had it gone that way, I
Correct.
would have done this. It's not going to be a burden to you, my partner, and you're not responsible for either of us.
Right.
I'm going to support financially. We'll support ourselves, and that's how we would like it to be. We'll be happy, and so on and so forth. But we didn't have to ever do that because both our parents didn't have an issue with it. Issue was with the people at large, with love jihad and the DMs and
बगल वाली नेबर कितनी परेशान हो गई आपकी वजह से नींद नहीं आई उनको.
you have to know how my mother shuts people up.
Oh yeah, I really want to know because I want to teach my mother this. She still hasn't found that skill. I was like, आप क्यों नहीं बोल के आई है? आप क्यों नहीं बोल के आए? नहीं, फिर मैं नहीं कहूँगी किसी ने कुछ.
Like that, no? My mother, every time she encounters someone, used to, now to, it's been like 5 years soon, but she would be like, अगं शाल्मलीचा नवरा. So she would not let them finish that sentence. She would understand this person is meaning to go here. She would be like, he is so nice. I cannot begin to tell you how nice his family is. His mother is to a gem. We get along so well. She would rattle off 10 amazing things and show the other person, this is the best thing that could have happened. She just overwhelms the other person with positive things that they have no idea they were going to hear or get to hear, and they would be like,
बरं
chan, kiti chan, was sundar, and they would walk away.
Amazing.
And I'm like, this is so cool. If you show a person that I have made a very informed decision about whatever I have decided to do, this is well thought out, this is what I want to do, this is my life, and you are not part of this conversation at all, you're not part of this conversation, you're a bystander.
But done so beautifully कि कोई offend भी नहीं हो सकता. You're not speaking down to somebody, you're not giving them ज्ञान, तुम उनको 4 बातें नहीं सुना रहे, तुमने इतने beautifully किया है कि relationship भी intact है. अगर कुछ है वो ही अपने आप को जाके अब सोचेंगे.
Exactly.
But,
and everything is true also. She
That's
is
amazing.
She absolutely adores Farhan. माझा जावई. She thinks he's extremely attractive and a handsome man, which he is, but she'll talk about it ever so much.
That is so
Lovely.
amazing. It is such a beautiful thing. तो ये मुझे एक क्वेश्चन आता है मेरे दिमाग में बिकॉज मैं ना पवई से बोली आती हूँ रोज, तो मेरे पास 1.5 घंटा होता है म्यूजिक सुनने. नहीं करिश्मा, मैं एक्चुअली कॉल्स पे होती हूँ, मीटिंग्स में होती हूँ. जो तो म्यूजिक जब सुनने के लिए टाइम होता है, अब कितनी बार ऐसे होता है कि माई इंट्रोडक्शन टू सॉन्ग्स इज ऑन रील्स, नॉट लाइक किड्स. बच्चे तो भी सुन रहे हैं, उनको यू नो मैन नुसरत सो कूल. अच्छा पहले तो नुसरत साहब बोलो, व्हाट इज क्या मतलब है. तो वो सुनते हैं उनको पहले रील्स पे, वो तो चलो अच्छी चीज़ हो रही है, बट उसके फ्लिप साइड पे me as a millennial, I'm listening to songs on reels, and now I'm like गाना सुनती हूँ पूरा, क्योंकि हम तो ओल्ड स्कूल हैं, थोड़ी हुक लाइन गाते रहेंगे. पूरा गाना वाहियात, उसकी वो जो रील में कहा यार ये तो रील में ही ठीक था. तो डू यू फील दैट कि अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नाउ मेकिंग म्यूजिक, ये भाई रील पे ट्रेंड हो जाए बाकी जाए?
आई डोंट नो अगर गाने वैसे बन रहे हैं विद द इंटेंशन कि ये पहले रील पे चले, बट डेफिनेटली आफ्टर यू मेड अ सॉन्ग पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि इज इट रील वर्दी. और अगर अच्छा गाना हो पर वो रील वर्दी नहीं हो तो समटाइम्स इट गेट्स अ लिटिल साइडलाइन, एंड इट माइट बी अ ग्रेट सॉन्ग टू लिसन टू. मतलब ऐसे 3-3.5 मिनट का गाना बहुत सुंदर है, पर उसमें वो 15-20 सेकेंड वाला रील कट नहीं है. So which that hurts, and that is wrong. That's disservice to the music.
It is.
Right?
Absolutely.
Because मुझे नहीं आता है ये करना. In fact मैंने ये करना शुरू किया है अभी. मुझे जब गाना पसंद आता है and I'm like I want to put this song out. Then I give it to a set of people who are like find the reel worthy part in this. Whatever it is. गाना तो रिलीज होगा. अब अगर मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो कोई बात नहीं. गाना वैसे भी मैं चाहती हूँ कि पूरा सुने.
Exactly. An art which is lost slowly, getting lost.
But that is a trend that I would absolutely like to change in Bollywood. You know, that we start evaluating and valuating a piece of music basis of रील वर्दीनेस,
क्योंकि उसी पे हो रहा है ना मैक्सिमम शेयर, तो वैसे ही सोचते हैं लोग. बट मुझे एक चीज़ बताओ, मैं उस दिन देख रही थी कॉकटेल 2 का ट्रेलर देखा मैंने,
अच्छा।
उससे मुझे वो याद आया, चढ़ी ना 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 रे ऐसी है दारू
the
देसी,
OG cocktail.
the OG cocktail, क्योंकि हम तो उसी को देख के बड़े हो ना,
Yes.
तो too old for the second one that's coming.
That was my first song with Pritam.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What
So-
and what a song. अभी भी again like Balam Pichkari, अभी भी बजे, you're like a great.
Actually, it's come back into like
हाँ,
वो
also
ऐसे ऐसे वेव्स में होता है ना, बीच में अगबाई आ गया था वापस वेव में, लाइक सब लोग अगबाई सुन रहे हैं वापस
रील्स पे, वो भी रील्स पे वापस आया
सो वी
था
कैन
वो।
से थैंक यू फॉर रील्स अभी इन
अब
दिस
इस
कॉन्टेक्स्ट.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम थैंक यू बोलेंगे रील्स को, बट है बिकॉज जनरेशन तक क्विकली पिकअप हो रही, दे जेन्युइनली हैवंट सीन ना.
Yeah.
वो अब जाके जो 20 साल के हुए, 22 साल के हुए,
Yeah.
उनको, वो तो तब 8 साल के थे ना, उनको नहीं पता है वो, तो वो उसको रीडिस्कवर करे, विच इज ऑल्सो एक्चुअली नॉट अ बैड थिंग,
Yeah.
बिकॉज हाउ एल्स वुड यू रीड, दे विल बी लॉस्ट ट्रेजर्स, यू नो,
Correct.
फॉर एवर इन दैट सेंस. बट यू नो व्हाट आई एम लीडिंग अप टू दो, राइट, कि
I have to sing it. So, but here's the funny thing. जब मैं गई स्टूडियो ये गाना गाने, I think some 20 odd people had sung this line, and it was sung by male and female both.
अच्छा,
साथ हम जो चले बन गए काफिले, और कोई हमें अब मिले ना मिले, मौज है रोज है, रोके से भी ना ये रुकते कभी सिलसिले. दिस वाज लाइक अ मेल फीमेल बोथ लाइन. चढ़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी, खट्टी मीठी बातें हैं नशे से जैसे दारू देसी. मेल लाइन, पर मैंने सब कुछ गाया था, एंड देन दे केप्ट द साथ हम जो चले
Beautiful
in
line.
the
Yeah.
female thing, and Benny sings the male.
Yeah.
And it's crazy how this kind of like keeping your mind open for ये female line होगी या male line होगी, and writing lyrics जो मतलब male पे भी चलेंगे female पे भी चलेंगे, देखा जाएगा. And प्रीतम दा के यहाँ ऐसे बहुत होता है, you know, where there is a lot of permutation, combination that can happen with his music and happens.
And as it should, how can you box a creative process like this? थोड़ी मतलब कुछ टेबल तो नहीं बन रहा है कि उसे measured होगा, ऐसे सब होगा. Which
Yeah.
brings me to another question जो हम पहले बीच में break में we were discussing, how unfortunately abhi bhi, I'm not talking about male female disparity when it comes to singing or
Yeah.
anything. I think that is a equal
Yeah,
playing field.
yeah.
But when it comes to music technicians, forget technicians, sound technicians, even composers.
Yeah.
सबसे पहले अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे नेम 5 टॉप कंपोजर्स,
Yeah.
मेरे दिमाग में एक भी फीमेल नेम नहीं आ रहा है. लाइक आई हैव टू थिंक अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट, लाइक एज आई एम आस्किंग यू, मैं सोच रही हूँ कि
Correct.
कौन है नाम.
So
that
Sneha Khanwalkar is one name that would really come up, especially when she had done Gangs of Wasipur. She was top of the mind,
Yes,
recall, right?
correct.
And she has this quirk that she brings. But you are absolutely right that we struggle to think of the female composers. That ought to change, though,
100%.
because a woman brings a perspective and a tonality that a man can't. Just as a woman can't do what a man does, a man can't do what a woman
100%.
can
Yeah.
do and bring. Jasleen is another example of a composer in the industry. But again, even to me, I am struggling to think of the others. I saw an interview and I really blushed and gushed when I saw it. Suniti spoke of me as one of the female composers to look out for.
Wow.
Because I had her sing on my first album 2XID, Here Is Beautiful, an English song that she sang with me. And that's when she started learning that I'm writing my own music. And she is actually really supportive and fond of me and this part of me. And she in fact came and told me, you're a better composer than you're a singer. You should be doing this more. And I'm like, yes, I'll do anything you say. Or like, I look up
Wow,
to you.
obviously.
And she is who she is, and she knows what she's talking about. And I really appreciate the fact that she could come up to me and tell me this and encourage me to do more, to be a songwriter, as is my calling, I think, also.
right.
But as far as women in the technical fields in music goes, there aren't as many.
Yeah.
Having said that, it's changing. A friend of mine, a producer, composer, Sunny MR, has a studio called Godfather Productions. and he very specifically employs women as producers and engineers.
That's amazing.
So his studio is filled with like young women who are setting up sessions for you and setting up your mic and making sure that everything is running
Yep.
well. There's also a sound vendor in Rajasthan. They go by Mega Sound, and they have a woman on the floor who comes and does your cabling. And I'm like, wait a minute, are you
ये
from
नहीं
the
देखा है.
vendors? And like, what I applaud, of course, them employing a woman to do this job, but to also her venturing out and saying, I want to do this, I want to see what it's like to be in a live show setting and do cabling and patching and know how to problem solve, because it's all basis of being able to understand what a technical writer is saying and
Correct.
patching cables, and it's a very difficult job and you need to know what you're doing.
Correct.
She's the only girl I've seen, but every time I see her, I take a picture with her. I'm forgetting her name. And I put a social media post up saying that, girls, this is also a career opportunity. You don't always need to have
Correct.
to.
Everything doesn't have to be there, and it is important, like you said, people giving opportunities and people taking those
Taking those.
opportunities. Both are equally important. जब तक somebody doesn't make that change, it's
Yeah.
not going to happen, because a lot of this also comes from the fact that छोड़ यार,
Yeah.
उसको hire किया, रात को टैक्सी देनी पड़ेगी,
Exactly.
फिर पीरियड्स
Yeah.
आएंगे, फिर उसको लेट नाइट नहीं काम करा सकते ना. So there are so many of these kind of things that come into the fray.
Very
So that thought process has
Yeah.
to really change
Yeah.
for everyone. And of course the whole thing, shooting का काम अच्छा नहीं, shooting में late होता है.
हाँ.
So those kind of things thankfully are changing. Parents
Yeah.
are changing, and I think it's an amazing time to be. Because we mentioned Sunidhi, मुझे याद आया because I was seeing your Instagram also. Of course, Sunidhi was really applauded for her latest thing, right? As a performer, where she dressed up and she really ventured out and did that. But you've been doing that for a while, and
Yeah.
you've been doing that beautifully. You've
Yeah.
been, whether it's your costumes, it's your energy, your choreography, you're a trained dancer also.
Yeah.
So that shows through your moves, and your performances are fabulous.
Yeah.
I guess Sunidhi, क्योंकि हमेशा सिंगिंग में थी और सडनली वो पिवट किया, मे बी पीपल मेड
Yeah.
दैट अ स्टोरी, बट आई थिंक you've been doing that for way longer and doing it so well. So I really want to talk about that.
Yeah, I have, but I just don't think I've ever had the personality to make a big deal out of anything. And
You should.
I know, I just feel like I'll do it when I feel like I should make a big deal about it, or that it should be a byproduct of my work. But the world doesn't work like that, Sharmili. So this is an internal dialogue. Having said that, yes, I have been at it for 9, soon 10 years now.
Exactly my point.
Yeah, it's slowly building up, and one thing I get told a lot, and I shouldn't be actually saying this because but I'll say it. My husband tells me this: you've created a lot of opportunity for a lot of people, and I'm like, what do you mean? It's like we sort of, in a way, started this whole movement of putting up a show, and that has given dancers a platform to be on stage and perform live to an audience, not only in our show but other shows where there are dancers, and there's a whole production now. It has created a lot of opportunity, and also given the audience a new way to consume a musical show.
Yeah.
While there are a lot of opposing forces to it, saying आपको गाने का नहीं बुलाया था, आपको ये सब क्यों करना है, and that to each his own, like that. But I am of the opinion that if you called me to sing, you couldn't easily just pull your phone out and listen to me on any DSP. But you want to see me sing, I'm going to give you a show. I'm going to give you more than just me singing.
100%.
And that is a style of performance where you don't stand in one place. And there are people who can stand in one place and still mesmerize you.
Yeah.
I choose not to stand in one place because that is not my style of performance. What is happening now after all these years is people are feeling compelled to perform like this in this fashion, which they shouldn't.
And because if it's not coming to you
Yeah,
naturally,
yeah.
it looks a little awkward and it
Yeah.
doesn't have the same
Appeal.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It needs to be something that's yours. You identify with it. You
Yeah.
own it.
Yeah.
And you do it.
Yeah,
I've
and which you
always
really
wanted to.
own. And that's why I especially brought it up, because I was like, you should be getting way more credit for this than you do for the performances. It's a performance and a half. It's a delight to watch. So I
Thank
think there
you.
needs to be more credit.
I was
given
so
for that.
happy yesterday. I saw an article in which like 8 most like sought after live acts to look out for in India, and I'm one of them.
Oh, amazing.
And I'm like, oh my God, yes, I'm finally getting my due. And in my house, I'm like, thank you God, thank you in my head.
सबके सक्सेस के डेफिनेशंस होते हैं. यू नो हाउ इन योर हेड एक एक तुम बोल के रखते कि ये हो गया ना, जिस दिन मैं अवार्ड जीत गई, मतलब हैव अराइव्ड. जिस दिन मैंने पैसे इकट्ठे किए फॉर अ 3 BHK हाउस,
Yeah.
मतलब आई एम सक्सेसफुल. डू यू हैव सक्सेस पैरामीटर्स? आपके क्या थे? हैव यू अचीव दोस? और अब क्या है?
No, I haven't achieved. There are a bunch of things, of which one is I want to do a sold out ticketed show in like an arena.
Wow.
With my stage design and like at least 4 costume changes. And yeah.
Tathastu. Manifesting it
Thank you. That's like, because right now I am doing the shows that will lead up to this show that is my dream show. But that is my idea of success, when I'll be able to sell out like an arena or a yeah.
तो ये बड़ा ड्रीम है.
Yes.
ओके, अभी एक फन, वील क्लोज विद अ रैपिड फायर बिकॉज
How rapid does it have to be?
वेरी ना, रील्स का जमाना है ना, एकदम
20 सेकंड में खत्म होना चाहिए सब कुछ.
लाइक वाओ, क्या बोली है, क्या सोचा है, ये लो पानी नहीं, ऐसे कोई
मतलब वो एडिट में हो जाएगा ना, क्या बोली है, क्या सोचा है.
क्या कर ले.
वेरी नाइस.
बट अगर आप बोली ही नहीं तो मैं एडिट क्या करूँ?
ओके.
बोलना तो पड़ेगा कुछ. ओके, सोचना नहीं ज्यादा.
ओके, बोल देना. ओके.
मोस्ट ओवररेटेड बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग.
सॉन्ग.
यस.
ऐसे आए संगे मला मनुष, मतलब अच्छा है पर बहुत हो गया, अभी बस हो गया, मूव ऑन.
एक और अंकल को मैंने देखा ना पेट के साथ. एनीवे, मोस्ट अंडररेटेड सिंगर टुडे.
दिव्या कुमार.
ओ या,
आफतों के परिंदे इश्क़ज़ादे.
ब्यूटीफुल बॉय.
अरे he is next level.
गुड वन. वन आर्टिस्ट जिसकी सक्सेस स्टोरी से आप इंस्पायर होते हो.
अरिजीत.
Very nice. One thing you admire about each of them. अरिजीत सिंह, जो आपने अभी मेंशन किया. One quality.
Extremely focused on the music. He doesn't see anything. मतलब he does other artsy things, but he's all about the music. Like everything else disappears.
Is secondary. Shreya Ghoshal.
I love how she's getting on with the times. She's staying current.
Yeah, very true. Sunidhi Chauhan.
Single-mindedness, same thing. Like she's so focused. Everything else, like I know that when she was rehearsing for this I Am Home tour, I used to bump into her at the Starbucks under our building. We used to live very close by, and she used to come all drenched in sweat, and she would just have finished rehearsal, and you could tell how committed she was to that one thing. Like you can't. I think that you can't take that focus away from her. She's all about that one thing.
And so important, especially once you're successful. मुझे पता नहीं लोग मोटिवेशन कहाँ से लाते टू डू सो मच. बिकॉज थोड़ा भी अगर मेरे को मिल गया, आराम करेंगे अभी यार, अब रेस्ट हो गया, रिटायरमेंट के लिए कितना चाहिए, हो गया. बलम पिचकारी या बेबी को बेस पसंद है? व्हाट वुड यू पिक?
Do I have to pick?
Yes.
Okay, बेबी को बेस पसंद है, नहीं बलम पिचकारी. That was a strange response.
घुमाया हुआ आंसर.
I have to rapidly say something but not go wrong.
आज के म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री का सबसे टॉक्सिक ट्रेंड.
ये रील पे फोकस मत करो, गाने पे फोकस करो.
Correct. One thing you could change about Bollywood music today. Today's Bollywood music.
Make it less about lip sync and more about a soundtrack. like, let's make the music about. It's happening in the back. It's giving you the feeling, but it doesn't have to be one singer lip syncing to it.
हाँ,
it's tradition.
linear
Like,
मत सोचो, अलग सोचो.
Karan Johar here would have been like, nope, I don't like it like that. I want my drama, and he I love him, absolutely love him, and I love his point of view, but it's not mine.
ठीक है ना, इसलिए वो उनका POV है.
Yes.
But thank you so much, Shalmali. It was wonderful.
I was
You did
rapid.
well.
I was pretty rapid.
You were very rapid. We are so happy you came here and you took out your precious time. And it's been such a lovely conversation. And I think 2-3 घंटे हमने बात की है, but बहुत मजा आया है. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.